Alright, so a little bit of hurricane update. We didn't receive a whole lot of damage around here, and so that didn't require me to work very long, just extended hours on my regular days. So it's all good. But anyways, what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna start working on this driver's side firewall here, right along here. I don't know if that needs to be worked on or not, but this here might hit a little bit on the floorboard. But take a wire brush on the grinder and try and knock some of this stuff here off, and get a little better shot of that. Try and get it knocked off, and get these brake lines out of the way to go to the master cylinder and to the proportion valve. Anyways, yeah, let's get started on that. Alright, when I cleaned it out a while ago with that wire brush, it produced these holes for me here, and this piece here, I don't know if you can see it, is it's got a drop off in here. But I believe what I'm gonna do, and there's a little bit of a drop off on a little contour right here. It's a little bit right here, but it's pretty good right here. It's real noticeable right there. But I believe what I'm gonna do is just cut this piece probably off straight like that, and then maybe come up a little higher than that. But anyways, cut it off straight. Might even come straight across from this cut right here, where I just cut this piece out. But might just cut straight across and then come with it straight down. I know it's not going to be as much lip there, but I believe I'm going to have to cut that lip off, because it's pretty good eat up in that lip too. This is the bottom pan here, or the bottom of the tub, and this be the upper tub, and this is where they join them together at. You can see the spot welds right here, here and here, and all down that. But anyways, so I guess what I'm gonna do is just cut it off here, and we'll have to figure out about fixing another lip here. So just to make it a little easier, I know it won't be factory or whatever OEM, but I'll probably only be the one that ever notices it or knows about it. So, and you guys. But anyways, just cut that out right fast, and I'll show you when I get done. Time lapse got interrupted. I forgot to put it on airplane mode or do not disturb or whatever. I'm on my phone, so it is what it is. Anyways, it's out. Here it is. But like I said, I believe what I'm gonna do is just cut this piece out straight. You can see all the contours in it. I'll have to bend it right here like that. But where I'm talking about is it'll be straight. This will be straight, and it'll come straight down from here to here. I just have to redo this lip, and it won't have as much lip on it, but the sheet metal I'm using is a little heavier sheet metal than what was from the factory, so it should be plenty of bracing in there. It's not like it's holding up the whole Jeep right there anyways, but It's just more for so the sheet metal don't give, I believe. But I can I'll probably bend this back like this here to kind of match it, you know. I don't know if you can see that or not. See that little contour right there? Probably bend that back to match it, but so there won't be no gap there. It'll look right though when I get done with it. It'll be all right. It won't be factory though, but anyways, it'll look good enough. I don't know too many things that are going on 40 years old that look factory anymore anyway. So some things out there. Some people would order the pan and the firewalls and they'd redo everything, but I'm not going to. So, and it'll be all right. We will make it. So looks like somebody at one time cut that out for some clearance or something, I don't know, but it was cut. You can see where it was cut at one time. I don't know, but anyways, I don't know if you remember some videos back, that foam or insulation or whatever, there's some of it right there, was I believe really what rotted this part out. The other side's not bad at all. I believe I just take it and clean it up with the wire wheel and put some rust killer on it, or rust stop, or preventive, or whatever it's called. Let's see, I got a can up right here, POR 15, supposed to be really, really good stuff. So we're gonna find out. But they say it when it dries, it's really, really hard, and so it can't, you know, like water and chemicals can't penetrate it. So we're gonna find out. And it's paintable and everything else. So anyways, that wasn't too bad there. I hope to this afternoon, I don't want to keep rambling on here, but I hope to this afternoon is supposed to go get a metal brake, a little 4-foot, it's called a 10 Smith metal brake. If not, my brother's got my daddy's, and so, but I'd like to have my own, so I'm gonna try and go get it. Broke that bolt off a while ago. That was one of the fender braces. That one there made it, but broke that one off. But anyways, let me try and jump on some of that floorboard in there and see if we can't get some of it knocked out, and see what we got to go back in with it right there. So, all right, be back in a minute. All right, when I come in here with the wire wheel, I started grinding and cleaning this floorboard up. It opened up a lot more holes. And I would buy this piece, but what I'm seeing, I don't see it really being that bad to make the pieces to go where the holes are at. These are all factory drain holes, these round ones. But I don't really see it being that big of a deal making these pieces. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them out. And what it is they're where they're at, there's body braces underneath them. You can see the corner of that one right there really good. But they're body braces, and they get sand and water and dust and mud, everything else underneath them, and they rot out from the bottom up. So keep your vehicles clean, keep them out of the salt, keep them sand and mud and dust, and just try and keep them clean as best you can. But I mean, it's, you know, things, you know, going on 40 years. So, I mean, it's not like it's a brand new one either. So, and it didn't have a good life towards before I got it. I mean, it just sat without the windshield or covered up or anything in it. So it just collected leaves and just sat and